Hey guys, so a real quick refresher on how to do Google Sheets. Okay, so we're going to make two columns. One is the trait, and one is the number of people with that variation. Okay, now when I hit return, it's not really in the columns. I'm going to drag this column, whoops, sorry. I'm going to drag this column over to make it bigger. Now I have two columns. Okay, so let's just say the trait is blue eyes. Number of people, let's say it's 6. And then brown eyes, we have 12. And then we have hazel. We have, how many people? 4. And then the other trait is hair color. Say 2. And okay. So then to make a graph, you highlight this, right? You use the insert chart button right here. Working. Okay, so now we have a nice pie graph. I don't want a pie graph. I want a bar graph. Okay. So this is really nice. I literally don't have to do anything at this point because I've got the traits down here, number of people with that variation. I could change the title if I wanted to. Some of the other stuff that you can do is you can customize this, do chart style. You can change the colors here. Let's see. Something that's kind of fun to do is this, 3-dimensional. You can make it 3D. Okay, that's for your own fun, but that's the basics of this. It's pretty straightforward. Let me know if you have any troubles. Thanks.